Hey there, everybody. We're back. So we had an unfortunate event with our smoker. It kind of died on us. So I had to finish these in the oven, but you could smell the smoke on these. And the chicken is so succulent that it's basically just falling apart. I just basically just grabbed it and off we go. So I actually cooked enough chicken for several days. Um, but I do want to get some of that sogginess off that um, skin. So I got the cast iron. It had been in the oven for the whole time that the other chicken is one of the chickens is not done. That was the one that we just deboned as a whole chicken. Um, but the two halves they finished up just fine. And oh my god, this chicken is just absolutely freaking stunning. But I don't like I don't like mushy skin, so we're going to try to crisp it up a little bit, and then we're going to finish it with a little bit of that barbecue sauce that we made, and then we're going to plate it and call it a night. And I guess I'll see you guys uh, again next week. But let's get this going at least. So we're going to go over here, which to me forgot to turn my light on, and I'm too short. So there he is, wearing the Munchie Mafia merch.
No, you're
This,
not.
huh? You're
You're
not?
on the other camera.
We're on what other camera? Oh, we're on the other camera. Oh, we're on the other camera. Okay, so cast iron's been in the oven and it's smoking hot. As you can see, it's really, really smoking hot. It's gonna just be like, oh, hello there, butter. So now we're gonna just take our chicken and we're gonna just swirl this around a little bit, and then we're just gonna lay that down. We're just gonna let this finish. I still have a little bit of the jus left over and the barbecue sauce. So we're gonna alternate between basting with butter and basting with the leftover jus. I gotta remember that this pan handle is hot. You know what? I don't want to burn myself, or else I'm not gonna be going to work tomorrow. So just gonna go in. We're just gonna baste. Gonna add a little bit more butter than that. We're just gonna add all the butter. All the butter, all the butter. So this is just standard run of the mill unsalted butter. So and this time I'm not wearing just a camisole top. So hopefully I won't burn my tatas like I did with the bacon incident a while back. So just gonna baste. Let that get happy. But as you can see, it's got nice color to it. It's mostly because of the brine and also partly because of the smoker. We did get some smoke on it. I like it. I like it when it's got a lot of smoke. But we got at least an hour and a half on it. I'm guessing. So and I got some. I really wanted to show you my smoked corn. I just throw them in whole and then just deal with the silks later after I've peeled off the husk and everything else. So baste. Really get in there and yeah, it's getting some color to it, just slowly but surely. So we're just gonna just let it do its thing. Get some of that fat rendered down because that's part of the problem right there is that fat. One of the things I hate about smoking chickens and turkeys is that rubbery skin texture that results from the low and slow method. Um, all right. If you have fresh herbs, you could throw some rosemary in here. Let it do its thing. If you want to do some garlic, you could throw some of that in there, but I don't have any right now. I wasn't expecting the smoker to die. I'm sure we'll get it figured out. Just basty, just keep basting it. That hot butter is just gonna just do its magic. That smoked potato salad is just freaking gorgeous. We're gonna be plating this family style again, like I always do. What we do is we just take the platter to the table with some smaller plates, and we just, pick at it ourselves. So it just seems like this weekend has just been a comedy of errors, absolute comedy of errors. Flip this bad boy over. See how it's doing? Yeah. See how it's got nice color to it now. Looks very rustic and very, very, very roasted now. Hit that with some butter. So this chicken is just, ow! It smells really delicious. If the butter would stop biting me. And as soon as we figure out the smoker problem, I'm hoping that I'll be able to do up some brisket sometime for y'all. I have a really, really, really stunning blackberry balsamic based barbecue sauce. It's just absolutely to die for. I used to serve it at the wine bar, and I remember the executive chef that hired me for his sous chef there at the wine bar got fired, and this new guy came in, and I remember the owner had just gone out to pick quarts upon quarts upon quarts of barbecue sauce because we debuted my barbecue sauce there at the wine bar for these pork riblet appetizer platters that we had. We have one of those big pressure smokers, and I'd made this beautiful barbecue sauce, and he had decided that he'd only been there for like 3 days, and he decides that he's going to dump out my barbecue sauce. I go, well, why did you do that? Well, I want to go a different direction. I made a new barbecue sauce. I go, oh, really? And I actually told him, I said, so what do you know about barbecue sauce, mister? Well, I made an espresso barbecue sauce. I go, that's even worse. That's pretty freaking bad. And so he has a spoon, and he tasted it, or he handed it to me and wanted me to taste it for him, and I immediately spit it out in sink. And I was like, what the F is that? What the F is that? That's not a barbecue sauce. You dumped my barbecue sauce out for this pile of garbage? What the hell? What the hell is this? It's like, don't ever stick anything in my mouth again. I don't care if Gordon Ramsay made it, you're not sticking it in my mouth. Never. And he looks at me, and mind you, this is like his third day, right? He's like, I'm sorry, chef. I go, yeah. And you dumped out my barbecue sauce, and you want to serve this to on live music night, really? When you know that mine's popular. Well, I just wanted to go a different direction. I go, yeah, and this is absolute shit. What the hell's wrong with you? I think you need to find a new profession, dude, because this is wrong. Why is it so grainy? Why is it so gritty? Stuff's supposed to be smooth. It's supposed to be silky. Oh, it's the roux. I go, oh my god, that's even worse. You put roux in a barbecue sauce? What is wrong with you? Roux doesn't belong in a barbecue sauce. And tears are streaming down his face at this point. He's like, I'm sorry, chef. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. And I'm like, yeah, you should be sorry. I didn't say that. But I was so mad because he dumped mine out. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Nice and crisped up. Nice and pretty. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. So yeah. That's all it needed. It was a little bit more TLC. A little bit of time in the cast iron. The smell coming off this is just freaking amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna let that sit for a few moments. Let that side get a little bit of attention. And now we're gonna come over here and we're going to get rid of my fork. I'll just set my fork aside, I think. Yeah, and I'm going to. Oh, there's my spoon. It's like right there. Sorry, guys. I'm freaking hangry right now. Just absolutely hangry. So when plating family style, there's no real rule. Just do your best. So, I know that Timmy and I are probably gonna fight over the potato salad because this is the shit, man. Okay, so that's not paprika. Oh, is that paprika? No, that's not paprika. Where's my paprika? Oh, there it is. Right there. In the cupboard with the peanut butter. Under P for paprika. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start decorating our plate. We're gonna just sprinkle a little bit of paprika on there. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Take some of our green onion that we chopped up and we're just gonna pile it on the top. Because, as much as I like to be fancy, we don't have microgreens here. Microgreens is a rather difficult thing to find in this area. So now I've got my chickens, and I don't know what I did with my tongs. I guess I'll have to use the other tongs. Yeah, I know. Thank you. All right. So that is a thigh and a leggy. This is a chicken breast and a wingy. God, just the color of that is just freaking stunning. I just love it. All right. So now we got corn. Oh, it got a little bit of smoke. Got a little bit of attention on the smoke. So this is yellow and white hybrid. And when you smoke it, the silks are easier to contend with. So just gonna toss one there. And another one here. Started looking down to my tablet to see what everybody was saying in live chat, but realized, oh, this isn't live chat. This is just a quick video showing you how the chicken looked. I didn't want to just take pictures, although I might take pictures. All right, crissy cross. Now, not sure what to do with the barbecue sauce yet. I know what I'm gonna do. I didn't mean to cough in your ear. Just gonna get a little plate. I'll get my ladle. My bag of barbecue. Hoping that I don't spill it all over the place. Move the garbage off the table. At least I didn't get rid of my garbage bowl. I love my garbage bowl. Garbage bowls are awesome. All right, so just gonna take this. Just gonna put a couple dollops of that in there. Set this aside. I'm just gonna dip the chickens, just so we got some glistening. So dippy, 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 dippy. We're gonna put that right there like so. Now we're going to take the chicken breast, because this is the star in most people's eyes. And here's the chicken tender right here. And we're just going to slather it on there a little bit. Height is important, so there we go. And that's what we got. Let me get this out of the way. I'm going to get all my stuff out of the way here real quick. I've got way more dishes than I wanted to get dirty. Just scoot that over for the time being. So this barbecue sauce has rum and brown sugar and molasses, honey, ketchup, apple cider vinegar, cumin, paprika, New Mexico chili, ancho chili powder, cayenne, pepper, salt, and a little bit of the chipotle Cholula. I do not usually add liquid smoke to my stuff, to my barbecue sauces. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll actually put it in the smoker and let it do its thing. So I'm going to give you the money shot real quick, and then I guess that's going to be it for the night, guys. We got our beautiful horchata. I'm going to enjoy that tonight. Probably going to put some Kahlua. We got Cholula on the mind. So anyway, so here we go with the money shot. We'll turn it around. And there you have it. Barbecue chicken, smoked potato salad, and smoked roasted corn on the cob. Well, so, oh, and also our horchata, which is very simple to make. Love to see people try these out and then take some pictures and send them to me. My email is munchiemafiaofficial@gmail.com. And I hope that you all have a wonderful night. And don't forget, eat with love and cook with passion, or vice versa. You can tell I'm very tired. So we're going to go and devastate this whole damn thing. And I'll see you over on Discord. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.